Welcome. I am Professor M. S. Havare from MBS RS in Polytechnic Nashik. So today we are going to discuss about what is jet propulsion. Okay. So the concept of jet propulsion is based on basically Newton's second law and third law. Okay. So momentum is imparted to a mass of fluid in such a manner that the reaction of imparted momentum fires the propulsive force. Okay. So actually done by expanding the gas, which is at a high temperature and pressure through the nozzle, so that the gas with a very high velocity leaves the nozzle, giving thrust in opposite direction, so that we can move towards the forward. Okay. So basically, as the Newton third law suggested that for every acting force there is equal and opposite force. Okay. So we can observe that the part for the jet engine. So very first is fan, then after that there is location of compressor, then combustion chamber, then turbine, mixer, and finally the nozzle. Okay, here we can say that the total assembly of your jet engine. Sorry. Okay, so how it actually works. Okay, so what is the purpose of jet engine? Jet engine moves the aeroplane forward with the great force that produced by the thrust. Okay, so very first is that the intake air, this one, the intake air is sucked by the compressor. The compressor having various series of vanes and stators. Okay, so vanes rotated and stator is stationary part. Okay, the compressor speeds, the temperature increases gradually. The temperature of the air is goes on gradually. So after that, the combustion chamber, that is fuel burner. Okay, the function of fuel burner is to mix the fuel and air so that the electric spark will ignite and cause the combustion. So the total combustion is occurs in the combustion chamber, and it increases the temperature and the pressure inside your combustion chamber. Okay, so once the pressure is increases, this high pressure strikes on the turbine. Okay, so again turbine having series of stationary and moving blades. So the hot combustion gases will runs the turbine so that your engine will move forward direction. So this is how your jet engine will work. Okay, thank you.